Silva.
Speaker, sir, I rise to speak on Budget 2026-2027. Well, Honorable Chief Minister presents a budget wrapped in the grand slogan of Viksit Goa 2037. A critical look reveals it is a document of stagnation, selective development, and screwed priorities, and a broken record of assurance, then a roadmap for progress. Honorable Chief Minister, in his speech, used one word, Gotmut, which means robust, repeatedly to highlight the provisions he has made for various sectors. When we went to the speech, Gotmut was used 37 times in the speech. So we expected the budget to lead to a robust economy, at least much better than what was in the year 2025-2026. But as per the government's own numbers, in the financial year 2025-26 budget, the GSDP was projected at 1.38 lakh crores with a growth rate of 14.27%. This year, the projection was miraculously shrunk to 1.31 lakh crores with growth crashing to 7.21%. How can the government talk of robust economy when their own data shows the economy is contracting by 7,000 crores? This is not development, it is a fiscal warning ignored. Secondly, again looking at the last budget, the present budget is an example of copy-paste governance. Old promises repeated again and again. The Sanjeevani Sugar Factory in the 2025-26 budget, we were told that the redevelopment will start this year. Today, in the 2026-27 speech, the government repeats that work will start this year. For how many years will our farmers be fed the same sentence while the factory remains idle? Speaker, sir, Donapal Convention Center, the last year action taken report claimed evolution was ongoing. This year, the speech again promises its development under DBFOT model, as if it were a brand new idea. The Goa State Museum, promised in 2025, we are now told in 2026 that construction will commence from this year. The foundation stones are only things which government seems to actually build. Ramindra Bhavans, in 2025-26, budget proposed foundation stone for Sangye and Perne. This year, government admits that they are still only at the preparatory decision stage. Speaker, sir, in my constituency, Velli is hardly given anything in this budget. आमचे ह्या बजेटान चोवपाक गेलो जाल्यार वेल्ली कांयच ना. So sports and youth the government claims to support sports, yet the economic survey admits that the Madkai sports complex is fully developed, but the playground for Sanjay Avel in Vedli is still stuck in process. Why must our youth wait for years for the basic playground while others get inaugurated today? Speaker, sir, आता एक सांजे दी आरे ऑलमोस्ट एक वर्स जालें तो स्ट्रक्चर रेडी जालो ताका एक प्रपोजल घायल्ली पीच आहा तेजे ग्रास घालपाक आतां एक वर्स जालें ती अजून पासून फायल पास जायना आनी तेजें कामूय स्टार्ट जायना तो ग्रावंड तसोच उरलो आहा. स्पिकर सर 10 वर्स जालीं वेल्लिंग ग्रावंड कांयच काम ना. 10 वर्स पयलीं तें स्ट्रक्चर रेडी जालो ऑलमोस्ट 18 crores एक्सपेंड केल्ले 5,000 तेजी कॅपेसिटी आहा पार्किंग स्पेस आहा कॉन्फरन्स रूम आहे तेका प्लस चार प्लेयर्स रूम आहे तेका सोगटे आहा पूण आयज पासून तो ग्रावंड थिंगा 10 वर्स पडलो. ग्रावंडाची कंपाऊंड वॉल कॉलेप्स जाली टेंडर गेलो अजून तेची रिपेर जायना. ग्रावंडाची ट्रान्सफॉर्मर पिड्ड्यार जाले हाका पत्ती येयले पत्ती कामां येयलो तेजे टेंडर गेलो. हे ग्रावंडाचे रिपेर काम स्टार्ट जालें पूण एक्चुअल ग्रावंड तो अजून पासून स्टार्ट जायना. कितलेच फाटली 4 वर्स सांगलें ह्या ग्रावंड कंप्लीट करचो आनी ह्या भुरग्यांक दिवचो खेळपाक तेजी फूल ताका यूज करचो म्हणून. तेजे भाशेन आमचो आसोल नाय ग्रावंड आहा ताजे कंपाऊंड पडलो आहा ड्रेसींग रूम पडली हांवें. हे ग्रावंड म्हाका दिसता ह्या बजेटांत आमचे घेवपाक जाय आनी हे काम कंप्लीट करपाक जाय. स्पिकर सर, ट्रेनिंग वॉल एट मोबोर हे नुस्तेकार आहा ते आमचे कितलीं वर्सां 35 years जालीं बोवाड माथ्या आमकां एक ट्रेनिंग वॉल करात. 4 वर्स जालीं आमी बोवाड माथ्या घालीताय हो प्रपोजल पूण आयज पासून तेजें काम मुखार वचना. म्हाका दिसता गोवोरमेंटाक जाय एक एक्सिडेंट जाल्लो कांय मनशाची थिंग लायफ वचपाक जाय हेजो पयलीं गेल्ली आहाय आनी वचपाक जाय तेजे फाटल्यान हेजें काम कोमेस जातलें हांव नोको हें काम कित्याक घेयनाय ना आतां दिसता म्हाका दिसता तें बेतूल पोर्टा लागून घेयनाय वो तें करपाक नाका तेंय म्हाका क्लियर गोवोरमेंटान सांगपाक जाय Speaker, sir, underground cabling of 11 kV lines in a Wedling constituency. अजूनपासून कांयच ना फाटले आमकां बजेटाक आमचे प्रॉमीस केल्लें बजेटाक प्रपोजल आहलें 50.10 crores अंडरग्राउंड करपाक जाय घेवपाचें सिल्ली आमची चिंचणी सालजोरा ड्रामापूर एरिया आयज पासून तेजें काम स्टार्ट जालें ना आनी ह्या बजेटा पासून आमचे अजून कांयच गेलें ना अंडरग्राउंड केबलिंगाचें हांव मागता मिनिस्टरा लायन लास्ट टायम आमकां सांगलोलें प्रॉमीस केलें तुजी वेल्डिंग कितें आहाय तितलीच काम घेतलो आयज पासून वर्स कांयच एक काम जालें ना आनी तें बजेटाकूय ना फाटलें प्रॉमीस केल्लें बजेटाक त्या पासून तें काम आयज जालें ना स्पीकर सर उदका पायपलायन आहाय त्यो अजून पासून रिप्लेस जाल्ले न्ही तेय जावपाक जाय स्पीकर सर let us talk about the government sense of priority. The Dayanand Social Security Scheme is a lifeline for our seniors. It received 480 crores last year, despite rising inflation this year. Speech offers no significant increase, even as it admits that 40% of our population relies on such social securities. Crumbling schools, the government boost of its education budget, yet the 2025-2026 action taken report admits that only 154 out of 294 government schools has their roof repaired completed. Smart meter obsession. We are spending 467.42 crores on smart metering. Is this for the benefit of the people or the profit of the contractors? Speaker, sir, youth and employment at 2025-26 are promised of a dedicated youth portal for locals is still under implementation according to action taken report. Speaker, sir, based on the allocation announced in the budget for the various departments, I did a comparative analysis of the revenue and capital layout for the government department to get a sense of these numbers and performance of the departments. The ratio represents revenue expenditure is to capital outlay. The high first number indicates spending dominated by salaries and operations, while the higher second number indicates investment in assets. Overall ratio is 2.58:1. What we see is majority of the department have high revenue expenditure over capital expenditure. Departments like education, police, and forest have a ratio of 22.5:1, 18.6:1, and 38.8:1 respectively, indicating high spending on salaries and pensions. While departments like PWD, WRD has bigger share of capital expenditure with figures of 1:2.3 and 1:1.7 respectively. But how do we understand the financial department ratio of 1:59.5? This is either due to the repayment of debt and capital expenditure, or is it due to the fact that GSIDC is under financial department and is carrying on capital projects? Speaker, sir, now coming on the approach used by the government as evident from the budget. Normally, a rational approach by the government to reduce high revenue to capital expenditure ratio is by focusing on the combination of expenditure, rationalization, public-private partnership, and strategic monetization of assets. But Goa government is focused more on PPP and monetization of assets. Last two budgets are implementing this strategy vigorously, though much of it is on the paper. But I am afraid very soon this will be a major work and achievement of this government.
Yes.
And hence, I would
Major work.
say that we are now realizing that this government and the government at the center.
Mr. Cruz, you over?
काय झालं ना?
9 मिनिटां 9 मिनिटां अनेक मिनिटां
आमचं
काबार कर
शिपाई जाणं.
1 मिनिटां काबार कर 10
ना,
मिनिटां
एक मिनिट जाऊ का ना?
10 मिनिटां
हं? हा, बोल, बस 10 मिनिट जाऊ.
अरे तो लीडर तो त्या 15 मिनिटां दिवपा पडली तू कित्याक 15 मिनिटां आयल्यार मातशी काबार कर
But we see now that, and this budget is a perfect example, is lack of government and lack of governance, because you will have nothing to govern. All important government holdings and functions are outsourced and outright sold under the gripe of PPP, right from the iconic Junta House, government residential houses at Altino, tourist residence of Goa Tourism, ferry service, Kadamba Transport Services, power services, hospital, and brand new project like twin observatory towers to be constructed on Zuari Bridge. Some examples of this focus are: the state has begun privatization of the operation of several ferry routes by offloading management to the Goa Recruitment and Employment Society. The government has achieved saving of approximately 60% previously spent on staff salary. Development of Dona Paula Convention Center and major bus stands in Margao, Vasco are being pursued under design, build, finance, operate, and transfer model. Healthcare services, dialysis services across 16 centers are now managed through a PPP model with a private provider, reducing the state direct operational burden. NBCC redevelopment. The government has signed a MOU with NBCC India Limited to redevelop dilapidated government quarters and buildings like Junta House and Vasco Bus Stand. This budget also announced that government colleges in capital city
Remenji Vegas.
will move to Donapal. Speaker, sir, I am not clear why Honorable CM termed that this college will come up at Donapala. In reality,
Take up other
these,
matter.
these
Take that
colleges
matter.
are shifted by constructing their campus right in the
put up.
property that belongs to Goa
Just
University.
minute.
So in a way, government is encroaching on the land of Goa University, which may need for future development plans. The government cannot
Sanjay Vegas.
provide a IIT Goa to set
तुझे
up
टाइम
its
देख
campus
बरं
and now
तुझे
snatching
5 मिनिटं
5 minutes.
मागील 20 मिनिटं
I urge government to provide a clear
Remenji
picture of
Vegas, please go ahead. झालं तुझी 12 मिनिटं आली त्याची
what,
बरं 1 मिनिट काबा कर
I urge government to provide a clear picture what are the future needs of